Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. Guess what? It's day 8 of 25 days of Christmas with Sabrina the Mismatch Crafter. And I have no idea. I think this has a wheel in it because this is the package underneath my tree. My poor cat will not leave alone. And because she's always around me. And when I organize stuff, and I think this is why. That she's already in here, wasn't leaving her alone. So, because she really got in and I had to tape it back up a few times. And then when I went to grab it for this video, I realized it was tore again. So, Oh, so shall we see, guys? See what my cat, maybe she sent my cat a toy. See what my cat's been totally obsessed with. So, let's dig in. This has been so fun, guys. Oh! Ha ha ha. That's what's dingling. Whoop. Oh, look at this truck. Okay, hang on a second. I felt something fall. Yeah. I don't know. Okay. Well, I figured out what's... That's cute. Okay. Cute. Okay, I don't know where this went, Sabrina. So, I'll have to figure this. Oh, right here. Oh my god, she made this. I think she made this. Did you make this? You had to make this. Okay. There, I fixed it. Okay, there we go. Oh my god, look at that. She had to make this. It's got little mirrors. I think she took a base of a truck and added one of those. Oh my god, I know what she did. So, I think this is one of those trucks from the Dollar Tree. And she just built around it and then added one of those little boxes from the Dollar Tree. And then, oh my god, I love this. I can't wait to put something in there. Ooh, ooh. I'm going to put some gifts in there. See, I'm already thinking. This is so cute. And of course, she didn't put her name on it. Oh, I have to fix that. My bad. I am so bad. I'm breaking things all around here, guys. Sorry, I'll fix it. It just needs a little glue. Just a little glue. This is so cute. See, I never have my glue gun off. I'll get in bed and go, oh, is my glue gun on? So then I have to get up and go turn off my glue gun. There we go. I'm so bad. There we go. So hot glue fixes everything. That is so cute, Sabrina. I love that. I may add to it because I might put my little logo that I have. I have a little logo. Massey's Tree Farm. That is so cute. But I want to put your name on it before I forget in the year. So I'm going to put Sabrina. This match crafter 2021. Voila! That is so cute. I might stick that in my bathroom. Of course, I just did my bathroom video. Yeah. So, I hope you guys went over and watched my bathroom video that I did. So cute. I love this. This is very creative. And I have these trucks somewhere. So cool. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay. And then also included was these little gnomes. Jingle domes, jingle. Well, oh, man, I'm really not into it tonight. Jingle domes, jingle gnomes, jingle all the way gnomes. And then look at these. Okay. Little bells with trucks on. I love them. This is so cute. I just keep looking at it. I'd have never thought of doing that. Adding one of those little crates from the Dollar Tree. And then wood pieces to make it. That is so cool. I love it, love it. I love how she got the in there as well. Come on. And the wheels, they sparkle. I love that. Thank you so much. I might have to make me one in blue. So, I love this, Sabrina. Thank you so much for thinking of me. You know I love my red trucks. I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna add my little Massey Christmas logo. And I'm gonna maybe make me a couple. See, I have these dice. Okay, this is what this is right here. I might go like this. Wrap another one up. Put it on top. So I was wondering what I was gonna do with all these. Somehow. Get them all in there. So he looks like he's carrying some presents. Would that look cute? Just imagine that. Cool. So, I want to thank Sabrina again. This has been a fun exchange. I've been loving doing this. And tomorrow, or today is tomorrow. I tell you, it's late. Can you tell? Because it is the 8th already, and I'm still speaking like it's the 7th. Yesterday I did my bathroom video tour, so I hope you guys checked that out. And today I'm going to be doing my kitchen tour. And because I got the gnomes from the Dollar Tree from Sabrina on day 7, and instead of going to bed like I should have, I did them. And they are displayed in my kitchen. And now I'm going to add my gnomes to the tree in my kitchen. And because I haven't did that video yet. You're talking, it's, what time is it? 12:30. Yeah, 12:30. And so I'm probably going to find a home for my truck. I think I'm going to wrap these up, add them to this. I think it looks kind of cool with the presents in the back, like coming and all that good stuff. Add my little logo. I know she won't mind doing that. I love it, I love it, love it. Add these to my tree in my kitchen. So when I do the video, you'll see it all. I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye. Oh! Merry Christmas and bye for now. I need to go to bed. All right, bye, everybody. People are like probably wondering, man, she's got a lot of energy for 12:30 at night. I always have a lot of energy. That's why I never sleep. And then when I do sleep, I sleep. So, bye, everybody, and Merry Christmas.